Hi guys, this is my mate. Dia lagud ka. She loves to come with me. No, you're not. Come on, up here. Mommy's going to cook. Okay. Up. Dari. Move. Move. Dari. Come on. Yeah. Good boy. Want to have a shower? Alright. Ang gaiba. Nachi kuyog baboy, oh. Yes. Danny kuyog baboy. So magluto. Taog. Pork soup. What's it? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, he loves to come with me whenever I go. Just loves to ride on my back. So she loves to eat some bacon. Well, I don't feed him that much, but then come on, hold it. I'm not holding it. Come on. She's not holding it at the moment because she's scared that she's gonna fall. Well, guys, he can just sit on my shoulder while I'm cooking and stuff like that, but it's annoying, isn't it? Guy. Here's my mate. Say hi to them. Hello. She's not gonna. Hi, Miss Danny boy. What's next? Are we gonna do next? Pour some salt in it. Want some salt? No. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name, Danny? Yeah, my name is Danny. Danny! My pooper! Yeah. Ah, this is Danny. Look at this Danny. She loves to sit on my shoulder and so he loves a back ride. Here we go. There he is. There he is. She likes to ride it. I'm cooking and now she's on my back. He loves riding. Hold on tight there, mate. It's a bumpy ride. Yeah. You want some food? I'm not eating anything. What? I'm not eating. I'm not eating. Danny is a very sweet bird. And just like, planning to buy another bird. Oh, you guess, guys, what's the next bird I'm gonna buy? Probably just love birds. So yeah. So I'm cooking at the moment. Danny at the moment. Danny. My Danny. He's my best mate. Not really. Last time she was playing with my hair. You know what happened, guys? I thought he was just playing, like chewing it. He actually eat all of it. When I comb my hair, I got, oh my god, I got plenty of hair cut. Johnny is the naughty boy. Actually, he can talk, but she's not talking. When he's alone, he can talk. That's what he do. He's a redback. And I'm cooking, and she just sit there on my shoulder and just. He likes the bumpy ride. He likes the bumpy ride. She did it to me. That's what she likes. Yeah. She's pretty annoying sometimes, you know? You want some? Try that. Oh, yeah. I tried to diet. I tried to put him on feed him with some seeds. I got it here. What did I got here? I got the red beans, pear. So okay, there you go. I got the chickpeas. I get the mung bean. I don't know what's this, the white one there. No, I have no idea. She doesn't really like it. What I'm gonna do now, so I have to eat it then instead of that. Chop. And guess what? If he doesn't like to eat the food, he's just gonna throw it away. That's all he do. He's a fussy eater, but one thing that he likes to eat is a pork. She likes to eat some porky. He likes to eat some bacon and ham. Their favorite. And apples too. Yeah. You wanna say goodbye to them? Uy. You wanna goodbye to them? Quick. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 What's your name? Bye-bye. See you guys next time.